Hello everyone. Today we have Surds and Indices problem number 3rd. This type of problems are asked in different type of competitive exams like Bank PO, CAT, MAT, GMAT, SSC, UPSC, etc. So today I am going to explain how to solve this type of problems. Let's start. Here can you find the value of the given expression? So this expression is given. We can write this as this is equal to square root of 2 into square root of 2 into square root of 2 square root of 2 and into square root of 2 and last 2, this one we can write as 2 raised to the power 1 by 2. Now in the next step this is equal to square root of 2 into square root of 2 into square root of 2. Now these 2's we can write like that under root 2 raised to the power 1 plus 1 by 2. So this is equal to square root of 2 into square root of 2 into square root of 2 into square root of 2 raised to the power 3 by 2. Now this is equal to square root of 2 into square root of 2 into square root of 2. Now this one we can write into 2 raised to the power 3 by 2 into 1 by 2. Now this is equal to square root of 2 square root of 2 square root of 2 into 2 raised to the power 3 by 4. Now this is equal to square root of 2 square root of 2 square root of, now we can write this as 2 raised to the power 1 plus 3 by 4. Now this is equal to square root of 2 square root of 2 and now this we can write under root 2 raised to the power 7 by 4. Now this is equal to square root of 2 into square root of 2 into, now this one we can write as into 2 raised to the power 1 by 2 into 7 by 4. So this is equal to square root of 2 under root square root of 2 into 2 raised to the power 7 by 8. Now this is equal to under root 2 under the root, this one we can write as 2 raised to the power 1 plus 7 by 8. So this is equal to under the root 2 under the root 2 raised to the power 15 by 8. Now this is equal to under the root 2 into 2 15 by 8 into 1 by 2. So this is equal to under the root 2 into 2 raised to the power 15 upon 16. Now this is equal to under the root 2 raised to the power 1 plus 15 by 16, and this is equal to under the root 2 raised to the power 31 upon 16, and this is equal to 2 raised to the power 31 upon 16 into 1 by 2, and this is equal to 2 raised to the power 31 upon 32. So our answer is 2 raised to the power 31 upon 32. This is our answer. I hope you enjoyed today's video. For such type of questions, there are the links in the description. Tomorrow I will be uploading next video. So please hit the bell icon to not miss the upcoming videos. Thank you.